Hi guys, and welcome to a new week full of Retrowheelz content. We are back from drop. The bike is still inside. We need to find a place in the showroom some way. And now it's time to start building the first set of wheels. Wart,
Hello.
Drop It Low Garage is here, and we are gonna build some custom BBS RMs. Hex nuts with thread, special pieces in the center, brush lips with a clear coat, of course some self-leveling logos, and some black bolts. Let's go!
Okay, let's go. What the fuck is this piece of shit?
A beautiful start of hopefully a beautiful day. We've just dropped off your guys' orders. Now I'm going to prepare some wheels because in some moments another set of custom Speedlines is going out. And that's another set of custom Speedlines gone. Now we can start on the next project. The RMs are for later this week to put some tires on. My dad is here masking off some wheels so I can polish them later. And I'm going to start on this set of barrels where we need to polish the lip. Polishing done for today or tonight because it's 2:30, but we polished the Zenders, we polished the beautiful Le Mans slips. I'm going to bed and in a couple of hours we'll start finishing these wheels. Our day has already started good. We did some tire changes, and now I'm off to building the not so three-piece Zender Milano wheels. We have some fresh chrome lookalike bolts. Then we will be finishing off the Lamos, and my dad is here packing the custom Speedlines that will be going to America. What a day! Table is filling up nicely. We already took pictures of most of the wheels so we can list them online. Then we are finishing off a set of ATSs for a customer, and now I'm going to load my van because we have packages on packages on packages. You guys did a lot of orders, so now let's get everything out. All wheels are straight, speed lines, rough edges are off, all curb damage is removed, so now let's load this all in and head to the powdercoater. Van is outside, unloaded, ready for a new road trip tomorrow to buy some more wheels. Today, some new BBS LM came in, some wheels from the powdercoater came in, some BMW wheels, a really cool set of old school Renault wheels, many more, and there is even more here. Little diamond cut lip on these AMG wheels, some BMW wheels, and a lot of other wheels. Now I need to take pictures of all of these wheels so we can list them online. I need to clean up the table, but first I need to polish another set of lips so we can send some lips out tomorrow to a client. and the BBS LM have found their way into our little BBS display in the showroom. I'm going to end this video here. It was another crazy wheel video. Next week I'm planning to do some more cars. My Passat should be in there, and we need to start prepping our rally golf to go to Tuning World Bodensee. I'm going to grab myself a nice little Göser Radler, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Please like, please subscribe. Bye bye.